Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good! Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Good. Are you saying it's time to go?
Bow.
Bow, 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 bow.
जब तुझे पता था तेरा शादी है तुझे घोड़ा पे बिठाया है तो गधा का हरकत करने का क्या करेंगे
You're so funny.
Wow, she actually laid an egg. Wonder what it tastes like.
So I've been laying a lot of eggs lately and it's so frustrating because they keep on disappearing. Thankfully though, Peter makes me food to help me feel better every time. Oh joy, there it is. Yum.
Hold up. Hey, all my niggas who be thinking.
Ha